This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Naomi Race. This beautiful one-level home has everything. From the perfect front porch for watching sunsets to the open, split floor plan to the updated flooring and finishes throughout. The back deck and screened-in porch are perfect for entertaining or if you are ready for a slow down, relaxation and comfort await. Just a few short miles from the new Kannapolis Kannapolis field, shopping and entertainment are never far. For more information please call Naomi Race with Realty ONE Group Select at 704-774-9710 www.smilesandkeys.com for more information. Review the details below.